My name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to track time in ClickUp. First thing you will have to do is to go up here where you can see this stopwatch and the text is displayed. It says track time. Click on it and it will open up this window, and here you can enter a time or start a timer. So enter a time, so for example 2 hours in this format. And now select a task that you want to track time of. Click on this and then select one of your tasks or search it right here. Now, if you have selected the time and the task, just press save right here. And now, as you can see, your timer has been started when you click this button. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.